SpecChem's Repcon VO is a single-component, polymer-modified, fiber-reinforced concrete repair mortar with integral corrosion inhibitor for use in a variety of vertical and overhead repair applications. Repcon VO incorporates the latest in polymer technology, offering superior durability, performance, and ease of application in industrial, commercial, and infrastructure applications. The tools required are a heavy-duty mixing drill, an empty 5-gallon mixing pail, a float, hand trowel or squeegee, safety glasses, gloves, cleanup water, and brushes. Concrete must be sound and free of all foreign material, including oil, grease, dust, latents, or other surface contaminants. For maximum durability, saw cut the perimeter of the repair 1/8 inch deeper than the depth of the repair, creating a notched, reinforced edge. Mechanically abrade the surface by an engineered approved method in accordance with ICRI 310.2 guideline to a minimum CSP5. All concrete surfaces to be repaired should be in a saturated surface damp condition with no standing water on the surface. There are two options for the proper preparation of the substrate: a typical scrub coat or the use of SpecPrep SB. This video will show the mixing and application of the SpecPrep SB. SpecPrep SB is a 3-component, multi-purpose cement epoxy bonding adhesive and anti-corrosion rebar coating. SpecPrep SB allows up to a 24-hour open time and provides a structural bond for fresh concrete or repair mortars to existing concrete. SpecPrep SB is ready to use. Do not thin with any solvents. Air, material, and surface temperatures must be a minimum of 45 degrees Fahrenheit prior to mixing or installation. Pre-mix each component separately, then mix 1 part of Part A with 1 Part B for 1 minute with a low speed drill motor using a Jiffy mixer or paddle. Slowly add the pre-measured Part C component to the mixed liquid for 3 minutes until a smooth, lump-free consistency is achieved. Mix only as much material as can be used within the pot life. Apply SpecPrep SB as a structural bonding agent for fresh concrete to hardened concrete. Apply the SpecPrep SB into the SSD substrate with a stiff brush or by spraying with a hopper gun and brushing in. SpecPrep SB should be applied at the rate of 65 to 75 square foot per gallon to a minimum thickness of 20 mils, and repair mortar or concrete applied wet on wet or up to the recommended open time. Mix 6 1/4 to 6 3/4 pints of clean water per 50-pound bag of material. Add recommended amount of clean water into the container, followed by the Repcon VO. Mix 2 to 3 minutes. Mix only what can be applied within the setting period. Trowel Repcon VO firmly into the prepared area, ensuring intimate contact with the bonding surface. Use slightly more material than is needed and roughly shape during placement. After the initial set, when Repcon VO is surface hard, shave the material to the desired final shape using a steel trowel. Maximum depth of neat repair mortar is 2 inches for each lift. Additional lifts can be placed after the original lift has achieved set. The original lift should be left with a rough surface to improve bond between lifts. Finish the material to the desired texture to match the surrounding concrete. Repcon VO is self-curing under most conditions. In severe drying conditions, use an ASTM C309 compliant water-based SpecChem curing compound. Tools and equipment may be cleaned with water before Repcon VO hardens. Benefits of SpecChem product: 1 component dry polymer modified, just add water. Dry polymer technology for excellent freeze-thaw durability. Hand applied or spray applied for large projects. Easy to apply, finish consistency up to 2 inches. Dries to a natural concrete gray. Designed for vertical and overhead repairs. Fiber reinforced for added strength. Contains integral corrosion